Good morning, students. How are you? Hope that you all are fine. In today's class, we will continue the previous exercise, that is 13.3, in which we have explained the scientific and standard form. In today's class, we are not going for too much for the exercise. We are just moving towards the questions. Okay, not for the explanation, because we have already explained all the things in your previous class. So the question number third of exercise 3.3, express the following numbers in standard form. You will learn all these in 8th class also. You have to write this into it can be written as 5 into how many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It can be written as 3 3 6 and 7. We can write at 5 into 10 raised to power 7. It's too easy, students. The second one is 7. It can be written as 7 into 1 and 6 zeros. It can be written as 7 into 10 raised to power 6. It can be written as 7 into 10 raised to power 6. Similarly, the next one, third one, 3 1 8 6 5 0 0 0 triple 0 आ गया है. Then we can write it is 3.18765. How will we write it? We will shift to the left hand side, count the zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है, सिर्फ एक ही डेसिमल्स को छोड़ना है, एक ही नंबर को छोड़ना है, दैट इज ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. तो इट कैन बी रिटन एज 3 into 1865 into 10 raised to power how many? It can be written as 10 raised to power 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And the fourth part is, students, 390878. So it can be written as 3.90878. Can you tell how many numbers? How many digits? 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 10 raised to power 5. So students, you have to attempt the remaining two parts for this exercise, this question. Now the question number 4th, which is very important for your scientific purpose also. As you move the senior classes, you will learn about that. The first one is, express the number appearing in the following statement in standard form. You have to write the standard form. First one is the distance between Earth and the Moon. Question number 4th. The distance between Earth and the Moon. The distance between the Earth and the Moon. What distance is given? This is 384. And how many zeros are there? 6 zeros. 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have to write it in standard form. How will you write? 3.84. Very good. How will you write? 3.84. How will you count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Only one digit will be left. So it can be written as 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8. This is the distance between Earth. This is the distance between Earth and the Moon, and this is 3.84 into 10 raised to power 8 meter. So in this way you can write the distance, and your future, in your further classes in physics, you will not use this term, you will use these terms. Students, if your brother or sister has completed the class 10th or the 12th and they have learnt of physics, then they must go through this scientific notation or the standard form. Student, the second part is the speed of light in the vacuum. हमें क्या दिया है? We have given that the speed of light in the vacuum. What you have to write? Speed of light in the vacuum. So how will you write? It is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 meter per second. So it can be done is 10 into 0, 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. You will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 3 decimal 0, 8, 10 raised to power 8. The next one is the diameter of earth. What is given? Third one. Diameter of earth. It is 127,560,000 meter. It can be written as 1.2756 into how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 raised to power 7. It can be written as 10 raised to power 7 meter. This is the diameter of earth. Instead of writing this one, you have to write in this way. Next one is the fourth part. What is the fourth part? The diameter of the sun. The diameter of sun. Now how will you write it? It is given 140,000,000,000,000,336 and 39. This is 8. How will you write 1.4 into count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can be written as 1.4 into 10 raised to power 9. Next one is, students, are you getting? This is very usable in your future classes. Yes. Fifth one. In a galaxy, there is an average of these stars. Now the number of stars. How will you write the number of stars? 1. And now count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you have to write this. This is the stars in the galaxy, an average. How many stars? 3 zeros, then 3, then 3, and then 2. How will you write it? 1.0, count 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, and 2, 11. 10 raised to power 11. Any doubt, students? If I have any doubt, then you can note it. Please note it down fast. Yes, students, any doubt? No? Okay, students, we move to the next one. What is that? Yes, that is, the next one is that the universe is estimated to be old about how many years? 12,000,000, then 000, and then 000. If you count it, it can be written as counted unit, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 billion, million, billion, 10 billion. So it can be read as 12 billion. This is the estimated life of the earth. Now you have to write in standard form. One decimal. Now you will count how many zeros are 9 and 1, 10. It will be 10 raised to power 10. 1 decimal 2 into 10 raised to power 10 years. And is doubt, students? Easy. 12 billions. It can be written as 1.2 into 10 raised to power 10 years. So this is the distance of Earth. This is the estimated life of the Earth. Same way, the next one is G part. The distance of the Sun from the center of the Milky Way galaxy is estimated to be it's two lengthy digits, students. G, H, I and J parts are for your homework. So you have to complete this chapter and you have to appear for its test on coming Monday. Is that clear? From tomorrow class we will go to start a new chapter, that is congruency of triangle. Be prepared for it. Don't miss the class. Easy chapter hai. You have to learn it. You have to revise it. Is that clear, students? Thanks a lot, student.